Okay, let us continue with the same chapter. We now see the rules of changing the command and request sentences. In reporting a command or a request in indirect speech changes this the following way. The introductory verb said, most of the time we use said, so this said word will be changed either into request, order, command, beseech or advice, or some word relating to the sense whatever is written in the inverted commas, or you can say reporting speech. Just see the example. And we also use to infinitive. To infinitive से sentence start हो जाता है. Just see the example. I said to Krishna, please give me your book. Now here in the inverted commas, please word is written, so it means a request is made. When we use please, a request is made. So the said, this said introductory verb said will be changed into requested. I requested Krishna, and to will be removed. I said to Krishna, so this to word will also be removed whenever we change direct into indirect. We don't write this to word. So I requested Krishna to give me his pen. वर्ब के साथ टू लग जाता है, देन इट बिकम्स इन्फिनेटिव. सो वी हैव टू यूज इन्फिनेटिव टू with to change this such sentences. Leave this place, said the teacher to the boys. The teacher ordered the boys. The teacher is ordering, so we have used ordered word. The teacher ordered the boys to leave that place. This is changed into that. And to leave the infinitive we have used. It's may past tense. You need not to worry about the changing the verb into past tense. Only you have to put to infinitive here. He said to the magistrate, pardon me. He begged the magistrate to pardon him. The teacher said, work hard, Raman. The teacher advised Raman to work hard. Just see the last part now, exclamations and wishes. If the sentences are in exclamatory sentence or some wishes made, so how you will change? The introductory verb said will be changed into wish, exclaim, bless, cry, according to the meaning of the sentence. And the words like alas, hurrah, oh, ah, such words will be omitted. They will be removed. You will not use these words in indirect speech. And rest of the rules will remain the same, the past tense and all. The sign of exclamation is also omitted. हम जो sign exclamatory sign लगा देते हैं वो भी नहीं लगेगा. Just see the example. He said, may you live long. He wished. May you live long means he is wishing. So he wished that he might live long. May is changed into past tense might. They said, hurrah, we have won the match. So we have to remove hurrah word and of course exclamatory sign. So they exclaimed with joy. Hurrah means they are happy. So they exclaimed with joy that they have won means present perfect. So past perfect you have to change it into past perfect. They had won the match. We will be changed into they. He said, alas, I am undone. He exclaimed that he was undone. He said to her, may God bless you. He prayed that God might bless her. So that's all about the chapter.